The Adrenaline boot is KLIM's most popular boot, and with good reason. It's made with durable waterproof gore-tex construction and lined with 600 grams of 3M Thinsulate insulation. And all new this year is the addition of the BOA zonal tension system. Tested and retested over the last 4 years, KLIM has integrated the BOA technology into the Adrenaline boot, which now allows the rider to adjust tension based on their specific needs. Matching freedom of movement with a durable protective base, the Adrenaline boot has the support for serious backcountry and trail riding, yet is pliable enough to walk in. The sole is extremely durable and built to grip the running boards over long periods of time without getting destroyed. The all-new Adrenaline boot with BOA zonal tension system from KLIM.